To get to Wolfram Alpha, you can open a browser of your choice. Firefox or Chrome are the most common. And just simply go to wolframalpha.com. Here you can look at some of the pre-selected items that you could learn about using this software. You can just explore some of these if you'd like. Otherwise, anything that you type, you could do calculations with um, Wolfram Alpha, and it can return the results and give information about either what you typed or the results it's given you. There's a nice visual representation. You can also type in sort of like queries to an encyclopedia and get detailed information with visualizations about those as well. Let's say population of the United States. Wolfram Alpha will then search databases around the internet and combine its abilities to calculate with the data sets to analyze them for you and give you the results in a nice clean layout. Uh, any topic you want will hopefully return results that are useful to you. Here we have packing problems where you take a certain shape and see how many spheres you can pack and the patterns that packing spheres of different size give you. If you pay a little bit, you can upgrade to Pro and have access to a lot of nice features. For instance, if you type in an equation, you can get the solutions to the equation uh, while if you pay for the upgrade, I think they allow you to see step-by-step solutions. So they not only give you the solutions, but if you pay, you can see the steps. That's Wolfram Alpha. It's a useful tool. Have fun using it.